Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a piece that I think would make a great choice for a birthday or an anniversary gift. This is a 26mm Rolex Datejust. Of course, this is a classic watch, and that does make it a great choice for a gift in and of itself, but this one has a lot going for it. This has the gorgeous Jubilee bracelet, which makes it a little bit dressier, kind of can be dressed up or worn down, but since it's all stainless steel, it definitely makes it more of an everyday piece. It's got this gorgeous diamond bezel, of course all 100% factory diamonds from Rolex themselves, and it's got this beautiful sunburst dial, which I love. I think it's such a neat graphic element to the watch. It's not something that you'll see when you're too far away, but it definitely adds a little bit of texture and interest right on the dial. And of course it's got beautiful diamond hour markers as well. I think that this watch is a great choice for someone who likes to wear jewelry, but maybe not too over-the-top jewelry, or wants a watch but doesn't want one that's all gold or two-tone, something that they can really mix and match with other pieces that they have. This is a great choice. It's a beautiful watch, and it's one that we have in stock right now, ready to ship. So if you are looking for a gift for yourself or for someone that you love, you should check out this watch and all of our other Rolex ladies watches at SwissWatchExpo.com.